Ever thought your camping setup was complete? Think again, because Amazon's hiding some genius camping gadgets that'll make your old gear feel ancient. Outdoor Guardians. You might think you're alone out there in the woods, until this gadget proves otherwise. The Outdoor Guardian system uses radar sensors to silently detect movement around your campsite and instantly alert you. Whether it's a curious raccoon or something bigger, you'll know before they get close. The best part? It doesn't need Wi-Fi or wiring. You just drop the sensors around your site and they sync like magic. With 30 hours of battery life and waterproof design, it's peace of mind packed in a box. Xeno Nest. Picture this. You unzip your tent, and there's a staircase. The Xeno Nest is basically a portable camping condo. 2 full levels of comfort. The bottom is your hangout zone. The top is a cozy private room. The modular panels let you open it up to the stars or close it for privacy. Each part zips off for washing, and the exposed beams resist mold. It's strong enough to stand up to 45 miles per hour winds and light enough to carry. Sure, it's pricey, but once you're inside, you'll never want to go back to a regular tent again. Cowboy Wok. If you've ever wanted to feel like a frontier chef, the Cowboy Wok is your ticket. Inspired by old school farmers, this cast iron dish is built for open flame cooking. Fire up some tacos, steaks, or stir-fry right on its tripod stand. The burner runs on simple isobutane canisters, and you can even hang it over a campfire for that smoky flavor. It's rugged, flexible, and turns every meal into a show. Once you try it, you'll never want to eat another canned meal again. AeroPress Go. Early morning in the wild, the birds are singing, and all you need is that first sip of coffee. The AeroPress Go is small enough to fit in your palm, but brews like a full-sized cafe machine. It's simple. Add your grounds, pour hot water, press, and enjoy. Smooth, rich, no bitterness. It's the ultimate morning ritual for campers who refuse to settle for instant coffee. Sure, it makes only 1 cup at a time, but that cup will taste like civilization in the middle of nowhere. Lovor Modular Lantern. This isn't just a lantern. It's your light, fan, speaker, air pump, bug repeller, and even a power bank. The Lovor Modular Lantern can magnetically attach to metal or other modules, from bright floodlights to mosquito heaters. It has a 5,000 milliamp-hour battery, RGB lights, and a solid rubber shell. Whether you're pumping air into a mattress, setting the mood with music, or charging your phone, this gadget does it all. It's like having a mini Swiss Army camp light that never quits. UAM Origin 800! Forget bulky power banks. The Origin 800 is the future. It's made of swappable battery stacks that act like Lego bricks for power. Need more juice? Snap on another one. Each module has its own Type-C port, giving you full flexibility. It powers laptops, coolers, cameras, even mini fridges. Plus, it's got voice control, app tracking, and a built-in lamp system. For tech-loving campers, this is your off-grid command center. Starting at $389, it's a serious upgrade for serious adventures. Portable Spit Roaster. Imagine slow roasting an entire leg of lamb under the stars. This battery-powered roaster can cook up to 8 kilograms of meat without breaking a sweat. The adjustable lever lets you control the heat perfectly, while the stainless steel build keeps everything food-safe and easy to clean. The motor runs up to 30 hours on just 2D batteries. Add-on trays, baskets, and prongs mean you can cook everything from ribs to chicken wings. It's a campfire feast, simplified. Klymit Climaloft sleeping pad? No more waking up with sore hips. The Climaloft pad combines air chambers and soft foam, creating a stable, silent surface that keeps you comfy all night. It's insulated, lightweight, and designed for 3-season trips. You can roll it up in seconds and toss it in your pack. After a long day hiking or cooking, this pad feels like heaven, and it won't slide around while you sleep. It's comfort redefined for the wild. Beavercraft AX1 Hatchet. Compact, sharp, and ready for anything. The Beavercraft AX1 is every camper's best friend. It's not for chopping trees, but it handles brush, kindling, and small branches with ease. Hand-forged steel gives it real power, while the ash wood handle feels natural in your hand. It even doubles as a hammer. Whether you're building a fire or clearing a trail, the AX1 is proof that small tools can do big jobs. MSR WindBurner Stove. When the wind's howling and everyone else's flame dies out, the WindBurner keeps going. Its enclosed design blocks gusts and locks in heat, boiling water in record time. Every piece, from the burner to the pot, fits snugly together, preventing spills and wasted fuel. It's built tough, performs flawlessly, and makes hot meals possible anywhere. It's not cheap, but it's the kind of gear you'll rely on for years. EnCamp Folding Chef's Knife. Cooking outdoors just got serious. The EnCamp Folding Chef's Knife unfolds into a full-size kitchen blade but packs down small. The stainless steel blade stays razor sharp, and the beechwood handle feels natural and balanced. You can slice meat, chop veggies, or prep fish, all with the control of a pro chef. It's easy to clean, corrosion-resistant, and looks stunning. Whether at camp or at home, this knife is built to impress. Yakima CBX Solar Cargo Box. Finally, a cargo box that charges your devices. The Yakima CBX Solar comes with a 36-watt solar panel built into its lid, powering USB ports inside. That means your phone, lights, or cameras can stay charged while you drive. It mounts securely, reduces wind noise, and even improves gas mileage. It's sleek, modern, and brilliantly practical, proof that even your roof box can be part of your camping setup. Ignik Gas Growler. Those green disposable propane bottles? Gone. The Ignik Gas Growler replaces them all with a refillable, durable tank that lasts for years. One growler equals 5 single-use bottles, and it's certified for 12 years of refills. It's cheaper, cleaner, and comes with a padded case for transport. If you care about the planet and your budget, this is the easiest sustainable switch you'll ever make. GoSun Flatware Set. Tired of plastic forks that break mid-bite? The GoSun Flatware Set is reusable, foldable, and fits right inside your wallet. It's made from stainless steel, so it's sturdy enough for any meal, from soup to steak. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and doesn't rust. It's the kind of thing you buy once and use forever. No more wasting plastic or carrying bulky cutlery. It's small, smart, and surprisingly satisfying to use. BioLite HeadLamp 800 Pro. When the sun sets, this headlamp turns night into day. The BioLite HeadLamp 800 Pro gives you a bright, focused beam that follows your every move. It's lightweight, comfy, and the battery can last up to 150 hours on low. You can recharge it via USB or even plug it into a power bank while wearing it. Perfect for night hikes, setting up camp, or midnight bathroom trips. This headlamp makes darkness disappear. LuminAID PackLite Max. This clever gadget is both a lantern and a solar charger. During the day, it soaks up sunlight. At night, it lights up your camp with a soft, bright glow. It's inflatable, waterproof, and folds flat when not in use. You can even use it to charge your phone. It's perfect for emergencies or off-grid trips where power is limited. One full charge can give you up to 50 hours of light, all powered by the sun. Matador Pocket Blanket. Ever wish you had a clean, dry place to sit anywhere? The Matador Pocket Blanket unfolds into a full-sized mat big enough for 2 people, yet folds down small enough to fit in your pocket. It's waterproof, puncture-resistant, and perfect for picnics, beaches, or camping trips. Built-in corner stakes keep it from flying away in the wind. It's a small piece of comfort that makes any outdoor moment better. LifeStraw Peak Series. Imagine being able to drink straight from a stream. The LifeStraw Peak removes 99.999% of bacteria and parasites, making almost any water safe to drink. It's compact, lightweight, and can filter up to 1,000 gallons before needing a replacement. No chemicals, no batteries, just pure water anywhere you are. It's a must-have for hikers, survivalists, and anyone who wants peace of mind in the wild. Thermacell E55. Mosquitoes can ruin a good night fast. The Thermacell E55 creates a 20-foot zone of protection. No sprays, no smoke, no smell. Just press a button, and the rechargeable unit quietly releases a bug-repelling vapor that actually works. The battery lasts up to 12 hours per charge. Whether you're sitting by the fire or cooking dinner, this little gadget keeps the bugs away so you can actually enjoy being outside. Jetboil Flash Stove. Need hot water now? The Jetboil Flash can boil a full pot in just 100 seconds. It's small, efficient, and super easy to use. The built-in heat indicator turns color when it's ready, so you never waste fuel. It packs neatly into itself for travel and works great in windy conditions. It's perfect for making coffee, noodles, or soup in minutes. because nobody wants to wait for water when they're hungry. Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock. Find 2 trees and you've got a bed. The Wise Owl Hammock packs into a tiny pouch but unfolds into a comfy spot to nap, read, or sleep under the stars. It's made from soft yet strong parachute nylon and holds up to 500 pounds. It takes less than a minute to set up, and when you're done, it folds right back into your hand. Light, cozy, and reliable. It's the ultimate chill spot. RovyVon Aurora A5X. This mini flashlight is small but fierce. The RovyVon Aurora fits on your keychain, yet it shines bright enough to light your whole campsite. It's USB rechargeable and glows in the dark so you can always find it. It even has strobe and SOS modes for emergencies. Whether you're finding your tent or walking the dog at night, this tiny light packs a punch far bigger than its size. GSI Outdoors Bugaboo Camper Set. Tired of juggling mismatched pots and pans? The Bugaboo Camper Set has everything you need. Pots, plates, cups, and lids that all nest neatly together. It's lightweight, but built tough enough for real cooking. The non-stick surface makes cleaning easy, even when you're off-grid. With this kit, you can cook like a chef and eat like a king, no matter how far from home you are. Helinox Chair Zero. This chair is so light you can carry it with 2 fingers, but it's strong enough to hold an adult. The Helinox Chair Zero weighs just 1 pound and sets up in under a minute. It's great for backpackers or campers who hate hauling bulky gear. Despite its size, it's surprisingly comfortable and stable. Once you sit down and feel that back support, you'll wonder how you ever camped without it. Vont LED Camping Lantern. Sometimes simple is best. The Vont LED lantern collapses for easy storage but shines bright enough to light up your whole tent. It runs for over 30 hours on 1 set of batteries and can handle rain or drops without breaking. It's affordable, dependable, and does exactly what it should. Light your night. You'll want one for every trip, just in case. Radiate Portable Campfire. This one's genius. A campfire you can carry in your hand. The Radiate Campfire is a reusable tin filled with soy wax and recycled paper briquettes. Just light it, and you've got instant flames that burn for hours. No smoke, no mess, and no firewood needed. When you're done, just close the lid to snuff it out. It's perfect for beaches, patios, or quick campsite vibes without the hassle. Garmin inReach Mini 2. If you ever lose signal, this gadget can save you. The Garmin inReach Mini 2 lets you send messages, share your location, or even call for help using satellite connection. It's small enough to clip to your backpack and tough enough to survive any trip. You can track your route, check weather, or stay in touch with loved ones, even miles from civilization. For serious campers, it's not just smart, it's life-saving. TUSHY Travel Bidet. It sounds funny, but it's a game changer. The TUSHY Travel Bidet is a small, squeezable bottle that helps you stay fresh and clean in the wild. It's discreet, refillable, and easy to use. No more running out of toilet paper or feeling gross on long trips. It's one of those small items you don't think you need, until you do. Once you try it, you'll never leave home without it. Scrubba Wash Bag. Meet the world's smallest washing machine. The Scrubba bag lets you wash clothes anywhere. No electricity needed. Just add water, soap, and clothes. Then rub the bag like you're kneading dough. In a few minutes, your clothes are clean and ready to dry. It's perfect for road trips, backpacking, or camping for days. Light, easy, and surprisingly effective, because smelling good shouldn't depend on a laundromat. So there you have it. 29 secret Amazon camping gadgets that make life outdoors smarter, safer, and way more fun. Whether you're a weekend camper or a full-on wilderness explorer, these tools show that comfort and adventure can go hand in hand. If you found something you'd add to your next trip, hit that like button. And tell me in the comments which gadget you're grabbing first. Because in 2025, camping isn't about roughing it, it's about camping smarter.